What's up, everybody? This is Brad Gardner, and I'm sitting here with Jessica Stahl, and we are at the Win the Storm conference right now. This is somebody that I've done business with and care a lot about, and I wanted to sit down and maybe go over a couple things that you do and a little bit of a voice outside of your own platform, which a lot of people know you. She has a doctorate in what she does. I'm going to let her explain that a little bit. I call her Dr. Awesome, and I want everybody to kind of hear what she does. So, Jessica, what do you do?
Yeah, so one of the things that I do is build systems and build teams. And for Brad, one of the things that we did is build out sales systems. So what he's been hiring and scaling this. And so instead of spending all the time training each and every person, he's been able to hire and train a lot faster.
Absolutely. We really enjoyed it. And that wasn't just the only things that we put systems and scaling behind. Salespeople, production, office staff, their roles. We've done a lot with our company, and we were able to work with her and add the organization and the understanding that she has, along with our vision for who we are, and create a good culture and a good company through her help. I really recommend any companies that are out there that need someone to get to a new level, to get off your kitchen table and take your job more serious and take your company more serious. This is a great place to go and organize all of that. So, Jessica,
That's awesome.
I appreciate you.
Love it.